Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I just wanted to show you a way that you can mobilize your spine while you're standing, loosen up your neck, and it's just a way you can move that just feels good, especially if you do this in the morning. And all you do is you're gonna take your hands, put them behind your neck, like so, or behind your head, and you're just going to try to relax. And we're gonna start small, okay? So we're gonna just try to relax, let our neck fall to the side, and let it roll forward. We're just going to keep rolling over to the other side. Now while you do this, you want to keep your shoulders and your neck as completely relaxed as possible, and you'll watch my arm open up there. And then there goes the other arm. And you just rotate around. So by lacing your fingers and putting them behind your head, for some reason, this just helps your neck relax, especially when you go back. Like, You'll notice if you try to do this without your hands back there, you're gonna hold tension and you just can't let go. But if you hold your hands back here, your nervous system says, yeah, right there. And it just allows you to let go and get just really good relaxation in your neck and rotation. And with your arms up behind your head too, so it displaces your center of gravity up higher. So when your hands are out to your side, you're gonna feel a wonderful stretch through the side of your torso here. And as you fall forward, your upper back's gonna stretch, and your low back. And then as you come to the side now, this side here is getting lengthened. You're stretching that fascia there. And then you just relax and come around. And obviously you work both directions. Now, like I said, you start small. But if you want to get adventurous and do a little bit more rotation, you just kind of lean over more. And then you counterbalance your rotation with your hips. So my head is going to the left, but my pelvis has swung out to the right. And so now I'm going to push my pelvis forward as my head and spine extend backwards. So now my pelvis is up front, my back is bending back. So it's kind of like around the world. But again, because the center of gravity is shifted up towards the head, you're going to feel some really good lengthening through your torso. Now when you extend back here, hopefully your glutes will reflexively contract to help protect your back. If they don't, when you're back here, squeeze your glutes. And guys, this just feels so good, especially because your neck can let go when you're here. Now you don't have to do that big range of motion. Like I said, start small. Just completely let go as much as you can. And just hold your head in your hands. You can hold the whole world in your hands right here. Anyway, give that a shot. It's simple. Really helps loosen up, mobilize the spine, helps the neck relax. Obviously, you want to breathe the whole time you're doing that. It feels so good when you're lengthening through your torso. And when you do the bigger circles, you're going to feel it all through here as well. It's a good way, though, to energize you, wake you up in the morning, or wake you up in the afternoon. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.